today also. So cylinder as CSA. What is the formula of CSA of cylinder? It is 2 pi r h. Okay. So TSA it is 2 pi r plus h. Volume it is pi r square h. Pi r square h. And in case of cone, okay. So 2 must be removed. 2 must be removed. And instead of h, we need to write on L. L. Okay. Instead of h, S must be written as L. So h become L left. So 2 must be removed. Instead of h, we need to write an L. So what will be the formula? Pi r L. So what will be the formula here? So 2 must be removed. H become L. So pi r plus L. Pi r plus L. Okay, that is also okay. The next one is, so in case of volume, okay, so whenever there is a pointed thing, okay, future work of comma always divide it by 1 by 3. Okay, multiply and multiply by 1 by 3. So you must the formula 1 by 3 law and so your formula will be ready. So 1 by 3 pi r square h will be the formula of 4. Okay. So pi r l pi r plus l and 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, these are the formula of 4. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Now one more thing you need to remember in this chapter is that, so L means what? L means lateral height. Okay, so here a mistake has occurred. So already happened. Okay. So here this is called the lateral height. Lateral means slanted. Okay, pange konచెం hypotenuse hotel like we call it L. Okay, this lateral height is called L. Okay, if it is standing erectly, सीधा ऊपर सकते हैं. Wherever you stand erectly. That is called height. Okay, so if they are standing, but they are standing in a slanted position, or if it is pange position, if they are standing, then that is called L. And this is called square. This is sorry. This is called circle. In case of circle, if the line is drawn from center to the circumference, then that is called the radius. Isn't it? Instead of base, we call it radius. Let us say a formula one matter. So if you see here properly, this is L, this is H, and this is R. Isn't it? So this is right angle triangle. 90 को opposite like one thing I mean. In case of Pythagoras theorem, opposite of 90 is called what? Hypotenuse. The standing line is called perpendicular, and this one base is called the base itself. Okay, and if I see a hypotenuse here, is it? What is the hypotenuse of here? This one is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is
L.
hypotenuse comma here is L. Now, which one is the perpendicular?
H.
H.
Perpendicular standing. Perpendicular there is a H ratio. Now, at the hypotenuse, you also height. Correct. So instead of perpendicular, what is there? There is height. There is height. And in case of base, what is there in case of base?
Radius.
Radius.
R.
Base means radius. R. Okay. So base को हमारा radius is R is. Correct. Now let us use the formula. What was the formula of hypotenuse? Sorry, Pythagoras theorem. H square.
H square is B. H square is B square plus B, P square.
Square plus B square. This was the formula. Now in place of H, what is there? In place of hypotenuse, what is there? L is there, isn't it? Oh, hypotenuse का होगा sir? It is lateral
L.
height L. So L square equals to. So what is there in case of perpendicular?
H.
Plus.
H square.
What is there in case of base? R.
R square.
R. R square.
Okay. So याद करो. What is there in hypotenuse? Hypotenuse means it is the lateral height. L से था. S को forma L. Okay. So सीधा ऊपर we call it hypotenuse. Sorry, height. Okay. So dolky color we call it lateral height. Sidala we call it height. Okay. And this is called the radius. Okay. Just remember Bango figure line but yaad karna. Hypotenuse se kuno. Hypotenuse is the L over here. So L square equals to H square plus R square is the formula, next formula that we need to learn. Okay, L square equals to H square plus instead of B square, what we can write down? R square we can write down. L square equals to H square plus R square. Is it okay? Full formula yaad karna
Yes,
hai.
sir.
L
Yes,
square
sir.
equals to L means lateral height. याद करना, make the figure in your mind lateral height, make a perpendicular. Okay, so perpendicular is the height. Tallapoti slanted like we call it radius, and it's slanted like we call it hypotenuse. So hypotenuse like we call it lateral height over here. So what is the formula? According to the formula, it must be h square equals to p square plus p square. H को हमें कैसे L sir, lateral height. Perpendicular को हमें height sir, and base को
Height.
हमें कैसे radius sir. So L square
Radius.
equals to L square equals to H square plus R square is the
R square.
formula. Okay, remember this formula also. L square equals to H square plus R square. You change, right? Okay, so once again, let us memorize the formula of cone. So what is the formula of CSF cone?
IRL.
Pi R L. TSF cone? Pi R, R plus,
IRR.
R plus
R
L.
plus L.
Okay, and what is the formula of volume of cone? It is 1 by 3 pi
1
R
by
square,
2 IRL.
pi R square X. Memorized?
Yes, sir.
Did you copy this all? Yesterday, I think yesterday also we have copied this one. If you have not copied this, you can copy quickly. Did you complete?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we go to the next video now. Shall I clear everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so similarly as yesterday, so we have found that CSA, TSA and volume of the cone, cylinder. Today we are going to find out the CSA, TSA and volume of cone now. Okay, so formula of cone, formula of CSA, formula of TSA, formula of cone, they are all like, okay, similar. I mean, this is similar with the cylinder. Cylinder or cone को formula लगभग same है सर. 2 हटाइदिने, h को ठाउँमा l हाल्दिने. That is all. That is the simple formula. In that way we can memorize. Okay, so let us start. So hope you can see the cursor. Okay, so suppose only 2 given will be given. Suppose there is a circle, there is a line, there is a next line, and there is a dotted lines. So what do we call it? This one is called what? Is it H, R, L? What is it? What do you call this one? Do we call L or H or R?
LL.
L. Okay, this is called H.
H.
This is called R. And remember, most of the question यो दुईटा मात्र दिएको हुन्छ. कुनै तीनटामा out of 3 only 2 will be given. The next you need to find out yourself. Okay, so तीनटामा दुईटा मात्र दिएको हुन्छ. You need to find out one of the figure, one of the number yourself. So what is the formula to find out this value? L square equals to
R square plus H square.
H square plus R square also you can add on, or R square plus H square also you can add on. Okay, anything. So plus है तो अगाडि पछाडि लेख्दा हुन्छ. If there was minus, त्यही लेख्नु पर्थ्यो. Plus, if there is plus, you can add on अगाडि पछाडि जे लेख्दा हुन्छ. Okay. Okay, so let us use the formula. So L square equals to R square plus H square, or otherwise H square plus R square also you can add on. Now, so let us see what are the values given over here. So radius is given 8, height is given 6. Okay, L त दिएको छैन. Without L, we cannot find out CSA, isn't it? Because CSA का formula क्या हो? Pi R L. The formula of CSA of cone is pi R L. खै त L? Radius is there. Okay, so h को ठाउँमा l को ठाउँमा त म h हाल्नु भन्ने त मिल्दैन. Okay, we need the value of l, so l we need to find out that first. Okay, so let us use this formula first. So l square equals to r square plus h square. So l square लाई l square लेखौं equals to, so what is the value of r? R means 8 square, plus h means how much? H means 6. Okay, 6 square, because there was square, so we are using square over here. L square equals to, so 8 square means how much? 64. Okay, so 8 square means 16, 8 square means 64. Okay, multiply 8 into 8. So 6 square means 36. Now add the number, it will be 100. So there is a square, that means we need to find out the square root of this number. So what is the square root of 100? It is 10 square. So square and square will be cancelled. So what is the value of L? L means 10. In this way we will get the value of L. Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So in this way we will get the value of L. Suppose instead of L, okay, if L was missing or comma, if R is missing, then also use the same formula. If H is missing, then also use the same formula. Okay. यो फर्मुला लाउनुमा प्रब्लम छैन यता, यो फाइन्ड गर्नुमा चाहिँ अलिकति प्रब्लम हो. यो चाहिँ निकाल्नै पर्छ. You need to find out, then only we can go to the next topic. Okay, so CSA, what is the formula of CSA of cone? CSA of cone means pi r L. Okay, so pi, what is the value of pi? Yesterday also we have learned pi means how much? What is the value of pi?
22/7.
22 by 7. 22 by 7 into radius. What is the value of radius? 8. Okay, into what is the value of L? Lateral height. Okay, L is missing over here. L we have got the value. What is the value of L? What is the value of L?
Yeah.
Value of L is 10. Now multiply the numbers, you are going to get this answer. Is it correct? Did you get the same answer?
Yes, sir.
So try of a TSA also. TSA volume rating machine lagi. So pi r plus L is the formula. Just put the value. Pi means 20 by 7. Radius is 8 over here. Bracket. Okay, so there is bracket. So bracket हम already multiply sign पर लिख दिया हमने. Okay, so bracket r means 8 plus L means L is how much? L is 10. That means we need to find out the value of L first. Okay, L निकालने for the right, so L is 10. So put the bracket. So we need to solve the bracket first. If you use the calculator directly, you will not get the answer. Remember. So 8 plus 10 garni 18 also. You need to multiply here by 18. Then only you are going to get this answer. Let's take it out. What is the answer?
Sir, 452.52.
452.57 is the answer.
52, sir. Not 7.
452.57. 52.
Yes, sir.
Try the next number also. It is 57, not 52. 57 also.
Oh, it's a 52 out there, sir. Yeah.
Sir, त्यति नै answer.
It is 57. Okay, it doesn't hamper with the last decimal number. Okay, so next number, volume of cone. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 लिखने, pi means 20 by 7. Radius is 8. Okay, so there is square, so write down square, 8 square. Into height is 6. Okay, the value of height is 6 over here, so write down 6. So multiply the number, you are going to get this answer. So So while using a calculator, okay. So in case of TSA, so 22 by 7 while using calculator, right? 22 by 7 into 8 into, so add this number. कोही कोहीले add plus 10 लेखिन्छ, आउँदैन answer. Okay. So what you need to do? 22 divided by 7 into 8 into, add this number in your mind itself. 8 plus 10, it will be 18 into 18 गर्ने. Otherwise, in your calculator also there is bracket sign. There is bracket sign above 8, 8 or 9 ko माथि हेर्दा there is a bracket sign. So you can use the bracket 8 plus 10 bracket close गरेर गर्ने, you will get the answer. Otherwise, into 8 plus 10 got 18, 18 right on 18. So while using the calculator in case of volume also, write on 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 8 square into 6. If you write on 1 into 22 into 8 square into 6 divided by 3 देख्छ, यता multiply देख्छ. 3 into 7 गरेपछि फेरि answer wrong. Yeah, it is also in the divide sign. This 7 is also in the divide sign, remember, right? So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 divided by 7 into 8 square into 6. So multiply the number, you are going to get the answer. Let's do quickly. I have a lot of topic to teach today. Did you complete?
Yes, sir.
So let me go to the next clip then. Okay, so as similarly here in this question, so previously L was missing and the L is missing here. Our case, what is missing over here? R is there, L is there. What is missing over here?
H is
H is missing. That means H you need to find out. कोही कोहीले के गर्छ, H missing means H square equals to R square plus L square. होइन है, this is not the formula. यस्तो लेख्ला फेरि H square equals to R square plus L square गर्ला कसैले. This is wrong. Hey, what comes first? L comes first. L is the biggest. Hypotenuse is L. L square equals to H square plus R square. This is the formula. जे खोज्नु भनेछ त्यसलाई अगाडि लेख्ने होइन. What is the real formula? You need to remember. यो R पछाडि अगाडि जे लेख्दा नि भयो. What should be in the front? Equal to को अगाडि के हुनु पर्यो? L हुनु पर्यो. L is the biggest number. Hypotenuse is the biggest number. So L square equals to R square plus H square. So L is 17. Okay, so then square over here equals to radius is 8 square plus hypotenuse. So height is we don't know. Okay, so we don't know the value of height. So we'll get the value of height as 15 centimeter. Okay. What the answer? So in this question, R is missing. Okay. So get the value of R first, and after getting the value of R, so find out CSA, TSA, and volume. Please be quick. We just have around 10 minutes only. So those who have not done it.
Yes,
Okay, keep on doing. So those who have not done, L is 13 square equals to radius we don't have. Okay, so height is 12 square, so 12 square means 144. So when plus go, this will be minus. So 13 square means 169. So when plus comes, it will be minus. So 169 minus 144 is going to be 25. So R square equals to 25. So 25 what is square? 5 square. Okay, you need to get the square root of 25 number. So it will be 5 square. So square will be cancelled. So radius will be how much? 5 centimeter. Okay. After getting radius as 5 centimeter, then we need to find out CSA. What is the formula of CSA? Pi RL. So pi means 20 by 7. The radius we found just now 5 centimeter. So length is almost 13. Put the value of 13. Okay. So after getting the value of radius and L, lateral height, we are going to get 204.28. So TSA. So pi r plus L, put the value. So pi means 22 by 7. So radius is 5 that we have found. Bracket r plus L is how much? L is 13. L is 13. So put the value. And I told you how to calculate the TSA. So 22 by 7 in a calculator. 22 by 7 into 5 into. Okay. So only okay. So 5 plus 13 how much? It is 18 into 18. Otherwise, use a calculator. There is bracket sign in the calculator. Okay, so 5 into bracket 5 plus 13, whatever it is shown in your screen. So write down, do the calculation the similar way. Okay, so when you multiply and divide it, you will get this much as the answer. And in case of volume, so 1 by 3 pi means 22 by 7 into radius is 5. Okay, radius is 5 centimeter. We have got that one also. R is 5 square into height. Height is how much? Height is 12. Okay, so put the value. So I told you how to do the calculation. 1 by 3 divide sign पहिला है calculator में 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 5 square into 12. Okay, multiply the number, you are going to get this answer. Okay, so got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have very less time left now. Please, if you have completed, let me go to the next slide. Is it okay, all of you? Any problem?
No problem, sir.
And I've got the homework from only 5 or 6 students only. Where are the remaining homework? 25 students are present and I got only 4 5 homework. Please submit your works after doing it.
My camera is not working, sir.
You can use your mobile, you can use anything, and so there's any
Okay.
big calculation over here. Okay. Now let us go to the yesterday's question only. Okay, I'll look at the modified form of yesterday's question. Let me see whether you know the formula or not. So PSA of cylinder is given, the radius is given, PSA of cylinder is given. Okay, so radius is given and CSA of cylinder, volume of cylinder निकाल्नु भनेको छ. Okay, so tell me what is the formula of CSA of cylinder?
2 pi RS.
2 pi r and
H.
h. So do you have all the values or not? Do you have radius?
Yes, sir.
Okay, radius is 7 centimeter. Do you have height?
No, sir.
Okay, so this height we can find out from where?
Come to PSA.
From PSA we need to find out the height first. Okay, height निकाला PSA बाट जुन दिएको छ त्यहाँबाट we need to find out PSA. After getting PSA, then we need to find out CSA and volume. Okay, height निकालेपछि we need to find out CSA and volume. Okay, so difficult छैन यहाँ हेरौँ. So PSA of cylinder 2 pi r plus h. यो हिजोकै क्वेसन हो. Let me erase this one. This is the previous question. So just copy paste marker here. Okay, so PSA of cylinder. What is the value of PSA of cylinder? 748. 748
Wait.
equals to 2 means 2. Pi means 20 by 7 into radius is how much? Radius is 7. Bracket 7 plus height is how much? Height we don't know. Height. Now 7 and 7 will be cancelled. Okay, so 2 into 22 will be 44. When you multiply both shall be divide. Once look at the screen first. So 44 when you multiply both the side will be divide sign. Then after that 7 plus h is the remaining number over here. So 748 divided by 44 will be how much? 17 inside that. Okay, 748 divided by 44, 17. So when plus both, this will be minus. So 17 minus 7 equals to h. That means h will be equal to how much? 10 centimeter. After getting the value of h, and we already got the value of r, ये दुईटा चीज त चाहिने नि. We just need two things now. Okay, to find out CSA in volume. We need, this is not the cone to find out L. Cylinder मा L निकाल्नु पर्दैन. Only in cone only we need to find out L. Right? Remember again, cylinder ma only R and H. These are the only two topics we needed. R and H. So we got radius already. Okay, it is also given in the question itself. Height nikalo timale. Okay. Now after that, just use the formula and get the answer. So CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH. 2 pi means 20 by 7. Radius is 7. Okay, and height is ours 10 centimeter. So multiply the numbers, you are going to get 440 square centimeter as the answer. And in case of volume of cylinder, so pi r square h, pi means 20 by 7 into radius is 7, okay, 7 square into height is how much? Height we got 10 centimeter. And after that, multiply and divide the number, you are going to get 1540 cubic centimeter as the answer. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, so copy down quickly. So I've given you some work. Okay, so just do it and submit me afterwards. And somebody they are sending me the individual photos. Please make a group, select all the